Ayun lang, ang basketball, taro-taro na taro-taro. Siyempre, pag may tito, hindi lang kayo. Pag walang tito, hindi lang. Siyempre, pag sumawag, dalawang klase lang naman yan, alam niya. Isang makapal, isang manipis. Pero wala sa pipa yung makapal na manipis na yun. Ito lang yung makapal na manipis na yun. Ang tawag doon, contact foul ha. So, ayun lang. Pasensya nyo nga yun. Maganda ka.
Okay. Start. Okay. Kick off. The first possession goes to Sabulaki. Here's jersey number 16. Here's jersey number 12. The jersey number 0. Here's 34. Stop. Shot 2 points for jersey number 34. Here's jersey number 88. Gomez. To jersey number 30. Sagulet. No. Rebound by. Here's jersey number 12. Jersey number 14, on the move. Jersey number 14, to 34. Here's jersey number 12, the jersey number 16. Now the down to jersey number 16. Here's jersey number 14. Shot for long two, no. Rebound by jersey number 0. Here's jersey number 16. Shot, no. Rebound by jersey number 12. Here's jersey number 16 again, 2 points. Here's jersey number 18. Gomez on the move. Gomez, sa ilalim. To jersey number 12. Shot. No. Rebound to jersey number 0. Long pass to jersey number 34. Easy 2 points for jersey number 34. Here's Gomez dribbling the ball. Here's Gomez. Long pass. To jersey number 20, no. Rebound to jersey number 0. Natabek, bola ng Sagulaki. Here's jersey number 14. Jersey number 14, to jersey number 12. Jersey number 12, no. Rebound by jersey number 88. Here's Gomez. Here's Gomez dribbling the ball. Gomez, sa ilalim. No. Rebound by jersey number 0. To jersey number 14. Here's Pedro. To jersey number 34. Jersey number 12, sa ilalim. No. Rebound pa rin. Here's jersey number 14. There's a steal by jersey number 30. Here's jersey number 30. Jersey number 30. To Gomez. Gomez. Foul jersey number 0, that is first personal, first team foul. Kami lang natin. No. Rebound by jersey number 16. Here's jersey number 16. Ginugulo ng dalawa. Steal by jersey number 30. 2 points. Here's jersey number 16. To jersey number 12. Here's jersey number 12. Pass to jersey number 34. Shot. 2 points for jersey number 34. Here's jersey number 18. Jersey number 88. On the move. Sa ilalim. To jersey number 18. 18. To jersey number 12. Shot. 2 points for jersey number 12. That is first basket of the game. It is jersey number 13. Jersey number 14. Jersey number 14. To jersey number 16. Nabitawan ng bola. Bola ng bola ng Santo. Here's jersey number 18. Gomez. To jersey number 18. Shot. No. Rebound by jersey number 14. Here's jersey number 14. Nagmamadali. Jersey number 14. To jersey number 34. Shot. No. 2 points. Here's jersey number 88. to jersey number 30. Jersey number 30, nabitawan ng bola. Bola na sa Gulapi. Jersey number 14, long pass, but there's a steal. By jersey number 12, here's jersey number 14. Here's Yotaki. To jersey number 18. Jersey number 18 to jersey number 12. 3 seconds violation. Bola ng sa Gulapi. Here's jersey number 13, shot, no, rebound by jersey number 34. Here's jersey number 14, jersey number 14 to jersey number 0. Here's jersey number 16, 2 points. Low. Sound, check. Low. Here's jersey number 13 to jersey number 88. Low. Here's jersey number 16. Stop. Shot for 3. No. Rebound by jersey number 18. Here's jersey number 18. Jersey number 18. 18 to jersey number 30. Sa ilalim. 2 points for jersey number 30. Here's jersey number 34. Here's Marty. Now what do you do? Turn to shoot. Here's jersey number 18 for the steal. Now habol si jersey number 0. 2 points for jersey number 18. Here's jersey number 16. So jersey number 12. Sa ilalim. No. 2 points for jersey number 34. Here's jersey number 88. Jersey number 88. Ready for Sabre. Here's jersey number 88. Shot for long two. No. Rebound by jersey number 12. Sa Gulapi ang possession. Subdivision. Here's jersey number 22. To jersey number 12, Manzano, shot for long two, 2 points. Here's jersey number 88. Jersey number 88 sets the play. Jersey number 88. To jersey number 20, back to jersey number 88. To jersey number 30, even to jersey number 18, 2 points for jersey number 18. Here's jersey number 4 to jersey number 14. 2 points for jersey number 4. Ready for Sabre. Here's jersey number 88. Inaagaw ni Martinez. Here's Gomez. Gomez on the move. Gomez, naghahanap ng mga pasahan. Binigay kay jersey number 20 to jersey number 30. Shot, 2 points for jersey number 30. Here's jersey number 14. Jersey number 14 to jersey number 22. Here's Martinez, sa ilalim. Foul jersey number 18. Substitution. Bola na single. Here's jersey number 18, 10 to shoot. Bola ng Santa Rosario. Quality time out po muna. Gindahan po. Here's jersey number 88. The jersey number 30. Here's jersey number 30. Shot 2 points for jersey number 30. Here's jersey number 18. Jibulan. The jersey number 4. Style Allen. No, there's a block by jersey number 30. There's a steal again by jersey number 4. Jersey number 4. Bola ng Santa Rosario. 20 seconds to shoot. Bola ng Sabulati. 17. 10 seconds to shoot. Here's Martinez. To Jubilag, shot for 3. 6 seconds to shoot. 2, 1. And that is end of first quarter. Our score is 16-23. Dedaco. Start of second quarter. Here's jersey number 20. The jersey number 88. The jersey number 13. Here's jersey number 13. The jersey number 20. Jersey number 20 being a 2 points for jersey number 20. Here's jersey number 18. For jersey number 34. Shot. No. Rebound by jersey number 0. Basket down. Did the ball. Who's ball next? Foul jersey number 13. That is first personal. Bonus shot for jersey number 0. Basket the bonus shot. Here's jersey number 20. Jersey number 13. Here's jersey number 88. Shot for long two. No. Rebound by jersey number 34. No man, jersey number 13. But no good. Jersey number 4 with the rebound. Yes, jersey number 34. 34. The 0 back to 34. Saradalan. Gandalan. 2 points. Here's jersey number 88. Gomez on the move. Here's Gomez. The jersey number 13. The jersey number 12. Here's Velasquez. The jersey number 20. 20. Saradalan. No. Rebound by jersey number 0. Here's jersey number 18. Jersey number 18. Jibulan. Iwan kay jersey number 34. Shot. 2 points for jersey number 34. Here's jersey number 18. Jersey number 18 on the move. Shot. 2 points for jersey number 18. Here's jersey number 18. Jersey number 18. To jersey number 0. Jersey number 0. Shot for long 2. No. Rebound for jersey number 20. Here's jersey number 18. Jersey number 18. Shot. 2 points for jersey number 18. Here's jersey number 12. To jersey number 22. Martinez. Shot for 3. No. Bola ng Santos. To jersey number 30. Jersey number 30. Style Allen. No good, but there's a foul whistle. Foul jersey number 4. 2 free throws for jersey number 30. Ready for service. No good. There's the rebound from jersey number 0. Not a big substitution. Yeah, pasok po. Here's jersey number 12. Jersey number 12. The jersey number 18. The jersey number 22. Salamat. No. Rebound Here's jersey number 20, dribbling the ball. Jersey number 20 to jersey number 18. Shot. No. Rebound to jersey number 16. Here's jersey number 18. Jersey number 18. Give it up. To jersey number 18. No, but there's a foul whistle. Let's call it. Foul jersey number 18. Timeout Santo.
Coach, ano pong gagawin yung play, Coach?
Ha?
Ano gagawin yung play, Coach?
Ako bala ko lumipit na mga yan. Ayaw mo na kayo.
Back to the building. Let's go.
Ayaw mo na kayo tao.
Ah,
Lumipitin mo na.
tawag kayo ng coach nyo.
Here's jersey number 18. That's the play. Jersey number 0. Here's jersey number 0. Sa ilalim. Jersey number 21. Nabitawan ng bola. Here's jersey number 30. To jersey number 88. Here's jersey number 88. To jersey number 30. Sa ilalim. No. Rebound by Gibilag. Here's Gibilag. Tama sa ako jersey number 18. Here's jersey number 18. To jersey number 30. Sa ilalim. There's a block by Gibilag. Here's jersey number 19. Shot. No. Rebound by Gibilag. Here's jersey number 22. Pinatapos si jersey number 8. Mananatili sa gulabi ang possession. Here's jersey number 12. To jersey number 16. Pinakit ni jersey number 19. Here's jersey number 12. To jersey number 18. Here's jersey number 18. On the move. Say Adam. No. Rebound by jersey number 18. But there's a block by jersey number 12. Here's jersey number 13. No. Rebound by jersey number 19. Here's jersey number 19. Tinira na lang. No. But 2 points for jersey number 18. There's a steal by jersey number 19. 2 points. Here's jersey number 18. Ready for time address. Here's jersey number 22. No. Timeout sa Gulabi. Here's jersey number 24. Pwede bilang. Here's jersey number 18, dribbling the ball. To jersey number 12, sa ilalim. Here's Manzano. To Gibilag. Here's Gibilag. Shot, no. Rebound by single. Bola ng Santo. Here's jersey number 19, 18. No, rebound by jersey number 30, 2 points. 2-point lead by Sagulabi. Here's jersey number 4. Here's jersey number 4. Pugibilag. Here's jersey number 34. Shot, no. Rebound by jersey number 16. Here's jersey number 4. Shot, 2 points for jersey number 14. Here's jersey number 13. Here's Gomez. Gomez, naglaan ng mga pasahan. Bigay yung jersey number 13. Here's jersey number 13. To jersey number... No, rebound to jersey number 13. But that's a block by Manzano. Here's jersey number 18. Nagmamadali. Nawani, jersey number 34. Here's jersey number 34. Balik ang Gibilag. Sa ilalim. No. Rebound by... Here's Manzano by Nawa. Here's jersey number 20. No. Rebound by jersey number 30. Here's jersey number 30 on the move. Say Laden. 2 points for jersey number 30. Bola ng Santo. Here's jersey number 19, Sailalan, 2 points, all 32 ang ating score. There's Manzano, here's jersey number 34. Jersey number 34, the jersey number 16. Bulan ni jersey number 30. Here's jersey number 88, Gomez. To jersey number 18, 2 points for jersey number 18. Lamang na pong Santo, here's 16, all 34. Here's jersey number 18. Jersey number 18. To jersey number 18. Here's jersey number 20, back to jersey number 88. Shot, no, rebound by, but there's a foul from jersey number 16. That is first personal substitution. Yes, jersey number 88. Jersey number 88 to jersey number 18. Jersey number 18, shot, no. Bola ng Sabulabi. Now, nasa kanyang bola, balik sa Santo ang possession. Here's Gomez. Sa ilalim, kay jersey number 19, 2 points. Lamang na ulit ang Santo. Here's jersey number 13. Kuya Dudong, nagdadala ng bola. To jersey number 34. Jersey number 34, iwan ko jersey number 2 points, ko jersey number 16. Here's jersey number 88. Jersey number 88. Pasa ka jersey number 20. Here's jersey number 88. 30 seconds. Here's jersey number 19. Shot. No. That goes a rebound by bola ng Sagulabi. 24 seconds remaining. Jersey number 16. To jersey number 34, shot, 2 points for jersey number 34. 15 seconds remaining. Here's jersey number 20. 10 seconds remaining. Jersey number 20, same ball. 8 seconds remaining. 8 seconds remaining. Here's Gomez. Nalitan na ba, same ball with 6 seconds remaining. 6, 3, 2, wala na pong oras. That is ended. Second quarter, our score is 36-38. Favor of Sabulabi. Here's jersey number 14. Kuya Dudong. To jersey number 16, 18. Here's jersey number... Nakatikan ni jersey number 30. Nagmamadali. Jersey number 30. Nawala sa kanyang bola. Bola ng Sabulabi. Here's jersey number 34. Balik kay jersey number 14. Here's jersey number 18. To jersey number 34. Nakatikan. Here's jersey number 18. Jersey number 18. Pasal kay Dudong. Here's jersey number 14. Nagmamadali. To jersey number 18. Sailalan. Jubilab. There's a block by jersey number 0. Sender. Here's jersey number 18. To jersey number 34. Nawala ng jersey number 34. Here's jersey number 30. Nagmamadali. Jersey number 30. Shot. 2 points for jersey number 30. Here's jersey number 34. Here's jersey number 4. To jersey number 12, Sailarin, Manzano, no. Rebound by jersey number 19. Yes, jersey number 19. Jersey number 19. To jersey number 30. Nabitaan ng bola, balik sa sabulado ang possession. Yes, jersey number 14. To jersey number 18. Shot, no. Rebound by jersey number 12. Yes, Manzano. To jersey number 4. Shot, no again. Rebound by yes, jersey number 30. Jersey number 30. No. Rebound niya pa rin. Yes, jersey number 30. Another no. Rebound by jersey number 4. Yes, Dibilang. Dibilang. Nakatapigan ng jersey number 19. Nakakuha ng jersey number 0. Nakakuha ng Manzano. Sa ilalim. Basket down. Dibilang. Who's covered? Foul jersey number 5. Substitution. Basket, nagawang shot. Advantage sa tatlo ang kalamangan ng Sagulapi. With jersey number 18. The jersey number 0. Jersey number 0, shot for long 3, no. Rebound by Manzano. Here's jersey number 12. Ready for time threat. Here's jersey number 4. The jersey number 18. Here's jersey number 2 points. Tanag Santo. Here's jersey number 18. So jersey number 0. Single. Here's jersey number 20. Kailangan 2 points. Here's jersey number 14. Jersey number 14. So jersey number 18. Kailangan to jersey number 12. But there's a thrill for jersey number 0. Here's jersey number 0. To jersey number 19. Jersey number 19. On the move. Jersey number 19. To jersey number 88. Back to jersey number 19. Kailangan nakatapigan kay Dudo. Here's jersey number 13. Jersey number 13. Bakit Belusan, bola ng Santo. Subdivision. Okay, pasok po. Velasquez, shot for long 2, no. Rebound by jersey number 4. Here's jersey number 22. So jersey number 9, Single. Here's jersey number 88. To jersey number 20. Back to jersey number 88. Sa ilalim. No. Rebound by Manzano. Here's jersey number 34. Shot. No. Rebound by jersey number 88. Langor. Bola ng Sagulapi. Here's jersey number 16. Nabitawan ng bola. Bola ng Santo. Ready for time out break. Here's jersey number 20 to jersey number 88. Here's jersey number 88 to jersey number No. Rebound by Manzano. Here's jersey number 12. Nagmamadali sa ilalim. No. Rebound by jersey number 12. There's a foul. Foul jersey number. Timeout sa Gulabi. Yes. Jersey number 14. Pwede down. To jersey number 16. Back to jersey number 14. Here's jersey number 34. Shot. No. Rebound by Manzano. Manzano. Another no. Long pass to jersey number 13. Single. Bola naman sa Gulabi. Here's jersey number 24. Jersey number 34. To jersey number 4. Here's jersey number 4. Salalam. No. Rebound by jersey number 34. Here's jersey number 34. There's a foul. Foul jersey number 88. That is second personal. Here's jersey number 4. To jersey number 14. To jersey number 16. Shot for 1-2. No. Rebound by jersey number 14 again. Shot. 2 points for jersey number 16. Long pass to jersey number 13. No. Here's Manzano. Here's Manzano. To jersey number 34. Jersey number 34. Back to Manzano. Shot. Another no. Rebound by Manzano. Here's jersey number 34. Shot. 2 points for jersey number 34. Here's jersey number 19. Jersey number 19. Junior Venezuelano. There's a foul from jersey number 16. 16. Jersey number 16. At the second personal. Here's jersey number 88. Gomez. Shot for long 2. No. Oh, basket pala. Nagbansa. Here's jersey number 14. Ayun, tama. Jersey number 14 to jersey number 4. There's a foul whistle. Who's by that? Foul jersey number 30. Here's jersey number 4. Nagayan. Here's jersey number 88. Jersey number 88. Salalam. There's a block for jersey number 4. Jersey number 88 ka rin. 10 points for jersey number 88. Tula ni jersey number 19. Here's jersey number 19 on the move. Basket down. Dito ba? Alis pa ulit. Foul jersey number 14. First personal. Bonus shot for jersey number 19. No good, the bonus shot. Rebound by Manzano. Here's Manzano. So jersey number 4. Here's jersey number 14. Jersey number 14. To jersey number 34. To jersey number 12. Offensive foul from Manzano. Offensive foul from jersey number 12. Here's jersey number 8. To jersey number 0. Shot. No good, but there's a foul whistle. Foul jersey number 12. That is second personal. 2 free throws for jersey number 0. Low. Basket. Basket for natin. Here's jersey number 14. Dino Gulong jersey number 13. Here's jersey number 14. Mahalabot. To jersey number 12. Here's Manzano. But there's a foul from jersey number 88. Penalty. 2 free throws for jersey number 12. Jersey number 88, that is second personal. Third na po si jersey number 88. Okay po ba? Basket. Ulang pass to jersey number 13, but nakapigtigay po itong same ball. Here's jersey number 0. Sa ilalim, no, rebound by Manzano. Here's jersey number 13. Jersey number 13. No, rebound by jersey number 8. Tip. Nakuha ulit kay Dudong. Nakuha ni jersey number 8. Which one, eh? Offensive foul. Of jersey number 88. Jersey number 88. Jersey number 88. Big shout out, Adrian Baracchio.
Pungod pala.
Ano pa rin, nilive ka pa rin. Tiger.
Mag-inom na lang kayo mamaya.
Ayan, TikTok tayo muna.
Mamaya, nakapause ka na.
Ito. Ha? Ito pala yung
Sa ribs. Oh.
Saan lalo dong?
ayun na, tumak mo. Dong, sandal. Gusto mo sandal yun, Dong?
Yes, jersey number 4, shot for 2, no. Rebound, jersey number 20. To jersey number 19. Yes, jersey number 30 again. Yung jersey number 18. Shot, 2 points for jersey number 18. Abante sa tatlo ang kalamangan ng Santo. 5-7 Lapi. Here's jersey number 88 coming the ball. The jersey number 40. Here's Yopni. The jersey number 88. Here's Gomez. That is miscommunication. Bola na sa Bulapi. Here's Kuya Dudong. The jersey number 18. Here's Kuya Dudong. The jersey number 34, sa gilid na naman, no! Rebound by jersey number 19. Here's jersey number 18, 88, the jersey number 30, Zaralan, but no! Here's jersey number 4, long pass to jersey number 34, 34! No, but there's a foul whistle. Foul jersey number 18, that is third personal. Big shout out, Gamot Chidoro. Go, the first shot. Yes, jersey number 8, jersey number 13. Inagawan ni jersey number 12. Yes, jersey number 34. Jersey number 4. But there's a foul from jersey number 14. Jersey number 14, that is third personal. Yes, jersey number 13. Yes, jersey number 13. 15 to shoot. US jersey number 88. To Kobe, 10 seconds to shoot. Back to Gomez. US Gomez. To Kobe, no! Rebound by jersey number 18. Shot, another no. Rebound by Manzano. US Manzano, but there's a foul. From jersey number... Ano ba yung foul? Ramos by what? Jersey number 18. Jersey number 18, that is fourth personal running for foul down. Here's jersey number 18. So jersey number 4. Jersey number 4. So jersey number 14. Kuya Dudong. No. Pinipili na yun. Bigay na jersey number 4. Here's jersey number 4. Tundog na naman. Shot for 3. No. Rebound by Santo. Here's jersey number 88. Gino Gulo. Now running jersey number 20. Here's jersey number 18. 10 to shoot. Here's jersey number 19. 10 to shoot. 9 to shoot. 5 seconds to shoot. No. Rebound by Manzano. Here's jersey number 34. Here's Jubilat. Jubilat. Pinagawang Silver. 15 seconds on the shot clock. Hungary jersey number 13. Here's jersey number 30. Pass to Kobe. 2 points for jersey number 19. Hungary jersey number 13. Shot. Another foul. Rebound by jersey number 19. No again. Rebound by Manzano. Use jersey number 4. Jersey number 4. Shot. No. Rebound by jersey number 4. Here's jersey number 34 for Jubilat. Shot. 2 points for Jubilat. Here's jersey number 19. To jersey number 30. Here's jersey number 88. 13 seconds on the shot clock. Here's jersey number 20. To jersey number 18. Shot. 2 points. Here's jersey number 14. Nah, bitahan ni jersey number 13. Here's jersey number 20. Here's jersey number 19. Jersey number 20. 9 seconds to shoot. Jersey number 30. 5 seconds to shoot. Jersey number... No! Rebound by Jubilat. Here's Jubilat. Jubilat ng mga nakatalingid pa. Sakong-sakto. Jersey number 34. Easy 2 points. What? Ayan. Thirty-six seconds. 36 seconds remaining. 36 seconds remaining.
Ano kayo, pre?
Magdante sa tatlo ang kalamangan ng Santo. Rounding the ball. Here's jersey number 8. Tulad ni Jubilat. Here's Jubilat. 2 points for Jubilat. 1 point move by Santo. Sembel. 30 seconds remaining. Here's jersey number 30. Jersey number 30. Jersey number 30. Tulad ni Jubilat. Here's Jubilat. To jersey number 40. Nabitahan ng bola. 20 seconds remaining. Isang kalamangan ng Santo. Isang kalamangan ng Santo. Sembel. 18 seconds remaining. Shot clock off. Seconds remaining. Here's jersey number 30. There's a foul by Jubilat. Kaya ka. Who's got that? Foul jersey number 18. Warning call penalty pa lang po. Wait.
Oy! Oy, violation! Oy, violation!
Bola ng Sevilla with 14 seconds remaining. Lamang ng isa ang Santo. Yes, jersey number 17. 18, shot at 3. No, rebound to jersey number 88. Jersey number 88. To jersey number 6. There's a foul. Penalty. Two-point lead by Santo. Last shot for jersey number 18. 5 seconds remaining. Ready for time out threat. Basket time out po tayo. Here's jersey number 18. Last shot. No. Rebound by Sana. 3, 2, 1. And that's our final score is 60-58.
Coach, sino ang best player?
Intoy.
Sino ang best player?
Polga, si Polga.
Tulga?
Polga.
Best player sino? Oy!
Naalala niyo mga ako ni Kobe? Naalala niyo mga ako ni Kobe?
Oh.
Nasa ano yan? Nasa USB yan, na memory yan. Contract daw.
Sabi siyempre, huwag lalay lamang.
Di ba yung isa pala kanina?